Alright, hello everyone. We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I just got this Ispring faucet for my RO. This I'm going to set up down here, downstairs. So I just got this. Let's see what comes in the box. I ordered it separately. It was, I think, 30 bucks, 35 bucks or something. So let's see what they give you with it. So it comes in the box like this, heavy duty. Oh, let me just do a little thing over here. Okay, this is what it looks like when you open up the box. So it comes in this little pouch looking thing. So that's all that's in the box, is just that little pouch. So, oops, sorry, that was a little loud. So they give you this little pouch. Let's see what's in it. The little cloth, little thing here. Okay, let's open this up, slide it out, see what they give us. Alright, so we have a manual right here. I guess a little manual, just to show you, I guess, how to hook it up. I got this in chrome. I didn't even notice. Oh, the chrome was cheaper, that's why. Okay, so I got this in chrome because it was cheaper. That's why. Oh, fingerprints all over it. Ugh. Ain't that doo-doos. Maybe I should have got the other one. Look at all those fingerprints. Okay. Anyway, I got this because it was a lot cheaper. Now I know why. There's fingerprints all over it when you put your hand on it. So that kind of stinks compared to the other one that I have upstairs. I think it's a nickel. It doesn't show fingerprints. This one does. So, does this come off? No? No, that doesn't come off. So here, that's it. Comes in the case like that. Give you little connectors here. They give you one for a 3/8, 1/4 to 3/8 line. They give you a 1/4 to 1/4 line. And then this is the base to install it. Oh, and they give you the clips. The blue clips are in here too. I didn't see those. So yeah, those are in there as well. So you got the blue clips in there. And that's it. And this kind of goes up like that, whatever. You already seen it. I don't know if you already saw how to install it, but alright, so that's it. That's kind of what you get. So I'm looking to install this faucet, so you have an idea over here on this wall. The faucet didn't come with a bracket, so you have to buy this separately. This is a bracket to put on the wall. This did not come with the faucet. It only came with the big kit that I got. So just to let you know, if you want to hang your faucet up on the wall like I'm going to do, you're going to need this, and this is extra if you're going to get the faucet separately. It comes in the real big kit, though, that you order everything together. So I'm looking to put that faucet over here, pretty much. So I'm looking to put the faucet somewhere over here. I guess up here, down here, I'm not sure. Somewhere over there. See, this is my setup that I got to put water in right there to mix the salt water for the aquarium. So, and I have this on top just in case I need to fill other stuff. I wanted to see how much weight that can hold. And that thing can hold 200 pounds or more because I just sat on it, bounced on it, and everything was fine. So, everything was perfect with that. So, that's about it. And, so that's it. I just want to do a little video, show you my plan of what I'm doing and how I'm going to get the RO water in here. I got to install that. See, I already ran the line through the wall. That's my water line coming in. Going to connect that to here. Tee it off maybe. I'm not sure if I have to have another device. I'm not sure yet. So, all right. That's about it. Just a little review of that. Thank you, everybody, for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. Please subscribe and comment below. Hopefully I gave you inspiration or some other ideas to do your own little setup in your basement or your studio apartment, whatever you have. All right? So, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Have a good day.